Hello, dear viewers. This is Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today I will share with you a millet soup recipe. This recipe is very healthy, delicious, and worth trying. That is why millet should be part of our daily diet. We can use it in tagines or knead it. We can make bread, soup, or mix it with barley. The most important thing is to include it in our diet. Now we will go through the ingredients and the preparation. Before that, the ingredients. Here is a short introduction about Ilan or millet. Ilan or millet is one of the best alternatives to carbohydrates, especially wheat, because of its mineral composition, which includes phosphorus, manganese, and magnesium. Millet is known to be rich in mineral salts. It is a food ideal for people with diabetes and bone weakness. Studies have shown its role in reducing asthma and severe headaches. It also helps lower blood pressure because it contains magnesium, and it helps protect the heart from strokes. It also contains vitamin B3, which plays a role in lowering cholesterol. Replacing wheat with millet helps reduce blood sugar in type 1 and type 2 diabetes, and even more, especially when combined with barley, rye, or oats. Millet has more benefits than barley and rye. Now for the ingredients. We need 1.5 liters of water. We also need 1 can of unsweetened condensed milk. It contains no sugar. We need 1 tablespoon of butter, a little salt, do not add too much, and half a large bowl of millet. We will grind the millet seeds. In Arabic it is called millet or dakan. We wash it and strain it. We dry it, toast it, and remove the moisture. We will come back to you. Place a pan on high heat and add half a large bowl of Ilan. This is about 150 grams. Stir the Ilan until it becomes lightly golden. Keep the Ilan ready for the next step. Put the Ilan into an electric grinder and grind it. Bring water to a boil in a pot. Add a little salt to balance the soup. Do not add too much salt. You can use traditional butter instead. Stir until the butter melts. Add the millet gradually. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Let it cook for 30 minutes. Stir from time to time. This prevents clumping. If lumps form, keep stirring this way. You will get a smooth result. Including millet in your daily diet is very important for health. It should be seen as prevention, not as medicine. Prevention is better than cure. After 30 minutes, add the unsweetened condensed milk. You can use regular milk if needed. That is fine. Adding millet helps protect your health and your bones. Do not wait for a problem before taking care of your body. It may help only a little, but regular use makes a big difference. It helps protect your bones. After adding the milk, let it cook for 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat. The Ilan soup is ready. This is the final result of the millet soup. This is how it looks. This is its texture. It looks great. It is very good, and it is delicious. We hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to share it with family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe if you like the channel, and turn on the bell to receive all new videos.